Good morning.
Morning.
I think you're still sleepy. It is with great pleasure that I welcome each and everyone to the 2014 North Luzon Cluster Science and Technology Fair here in Cagayan Valley Region, graciously hosted by the Cagayan State University Cali Campus. We are surrounded by the joint effort of the Ilocos region, Cordillera, and Cagayan Valley to bring science and technology to North Luzon. This year, we are showcasing technologies on DOST 8 outcomes. We are fueled by our belief that science and technology play important roles in agriculture, enterprise, industries, information technology, connectivity, health, education, and disaster preparedness, just like what our director from TAPI has mentioned a while ago. The three-day event features scientific developments. Also, it will feature technological solutions through SNT exhibits, technology fora, trainings, science and technology quiz, science explorer, and other exciting activities to make science and technology cluster closer and within the reach of our clienteles. We have gathered the cluster's best program as well as authority figures in this class so that we can show visitors that the department's accomplishment in this part of the country will allow everyone to have this opportunity and join us to help further our cause. As part of celebration, we are launching the CSU DOST Food Innovation Center, or the FIC. This center was established through the initiative of Secretary Mario G. Montejo and supported by MIRDC and IPDI, and of course supported by all regional offices who are the implementers of this project. In Region 2, we have the support of the Cagayan State University through, of course, the leadership of President Romeo Hilar. May we give him a round of applause. Mahirap yung ginawa nila para sa FIC. They built a two-story building. We escaped from a very small one-floor SF building of the US. Ginawa nila story to house our FIC. FIC, as one of the identified priority programs, it is an vision that through this center, innovative technologies, relevant support services, technical expertise, necessary infrastructure, and facilities will be more accessible to micro, small, and medium enterprises, as well as researchers and students to create growth in the countryside. The Science Department continuously aims to make it known on the Filipino people that scientific developments through innovations can provide and improve livelihood and address many other national and regional concerns. In behalf of the DOST North Luzon Cluster, we thank our partners in other regions, and of course the RDIs and the councils of the DOST and other exhibitors in helping us prepare this big event. As I welcome you, our dear guests, may I convey my most sincere appreciation for coming over to grace the North Luzon Science and Technology Fair with our team, A Science Nation Meeting Global Challenges. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagdalo sa kabuuan ng ating pagdiriwang. Sana tayo ay makinabang sa mga likha at gawa ng agham at teknolohiya. Maraming salamat po at magandang araw.